Hello everyone! In the previous video, I go through the composite design button. There is a very useful design button. It means you will make this design button in the real life when you programming or when you design a new architect software. And today I will go through the Proxy button. The Proxy button is a class represent the functionality of another class. Just simple. This type of design button come under structural button. And in the Proxy button, we create an object and having original object to the interface functionality to either work. And now I will draw the class UML diagram before I go through in the code. The first we have one subject. In a one subject you have a lot of attribute and a lot of method. For example, you have one method introduction. And you where and you create a proxy class. And real subject and a real subject class in a real subject class. And do proxy have the same do action method. And in the subject in the proxy and real subject will inherit from the subject. Okay, and between the proxy and real project we have the direct association. As you can see the direct association relationship. If you don't know about that, um, you can see the first video of series about design button in my site. In there, proxy will delegate from the real object class. And when a client want to use, client will dependency with subject. As you can see, there is the UML class diagram of proxy design button. And now I will go through the example code for you. The first, you can see I created a subject class. Subject class, I define the common interface for the real subject. And proxy, so that the proxy can be used anywhere so real subject is expected. In there I create an virtual subject and a real subject. I define the request method public from the subject. It means inheritance from the subject. And there, I public from the subject. Proxy maintain a reference that let the proxy access the real subject. Mm, and there I create an constructor and destructor, and I define request method. And I create a real subject, subject object in a pointer. In the destructor, you can do something in there. And in the main function, I create an object of a proxy class, and I point to the request method. You can see request method in there. Subject will point to the request method of real object, and I will print the real subject request string in the console. you know Now I will run. As you can see, real subject request is printed into the console. There's a proxy design button. Closely, I want to remind you that a class real subject um, real subject represent a functional of another class. It means a subject in there. And this type design button common the structural design button. And in the next, I will go to a new group design button. Thank you for watching.